Today I'm going to show you how to split images in Canva. Go to create a design, go to upload files and choose your image, click use in a new design, custom size, create new design and go to apps, split, and choose image splitter and click in this app. Click in the image and choose the number of the rows that you want and the numbers of the columns. Let's make it like this, 3 3, and click split image and click add images to new pages. Let's delete the first one. Go to share, download, choose PNG, and make sure you select all the pages. Done, download. And here's the file. And let's open this file. And when you want to post your these images in Instagram, post them in this order. Start from 9 and the last one is 1. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.